McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 69 Jarman Street, Barlows Hill.
Situated on a 1,592 metre square allotment, this Greg Dean build offers panoramic sea views and an infinity pool.
Come on in, we'll have a look.
Including raked ceilings throughout and a lovely open plan flow with the Tasmanian oak floors. The galley style kitchen is super well appointed with waterfalls, stone bench tops, gas cooking and even a wine fridge. My absolute favourite thing about this pavilion style home has to be the infinity swimming pool situated in the middle of the property that overlooks that absolutely fabulous view.
So guys, there you have it, 69 Jarman Street, Barlows Hill. If you want to feel like you're on holidays all the time, give Anna and myself a call and we'll arrange an inspection. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.